Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to recharge your AC on a 2005 Lotus Elise. As you can see, here's my Lotus. The AC hasn't been recharged in a very long time, so today I'll be recharging the AC so I can enjoy the summer and get some cold air. On the Lotus Elise, here are the AC charging ports. As you can see right here, there's two of them. But the only way to get back there and actually recharge your AC is by taking off the back wheel and then taking off the inside cover and charging your AC. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly what I do to recharge the AC on a Lotus Elise. As you can see, I had taken the lug nuts. There was a dead bird right there. All right, so now I'm gonna take off the wheel, and then we're going to go into the next step. We're going to turn on the vehicle and we're going to turn on the AC on full blast. Let's take off the wheel. Kaboom. Very easy. All right, so the next step is to take these two bolts off, and then we will have full access to the AC charging ports. All right, now that we have taken off those two plastic things that hold the cover, simply going to pull it out just a little bit. All right, and now you should have full access to the charging ports. They are super easy to take off. Just unscrew them, kabam, and kabam. The one that you're going to plug in your charging kit, this is the one I bought from AutoZone. It is about $20. It recharges your AC multiple times. I used this before, and one of these bottles charges like 2 vehicles, and the AC blows ice cold, and it's absolutely awesome. All right, so you're going to plug that one into this one right here, the smaller port. This is the bigger port. That's a smaller one. Make sure you plug it into the smaller one. The cap will actually only fit on the smaller port, so there's no way you can make a mistake on this. All right, so now after you got full access to the ports, you're going to open the vehicle and you're going to turn it on. All right. Oh, getting inside of these is a pain in the you know what. All right. And now when you turn it on, you want to go right here. Make sure it's all the way to the max, all the way to number 3, and make sure you have the icicle turned on. And if you have heard that little click, that's the compressor turning on and working, which is excellent. And now you can feel the air moving. I also would like to open the other window. This way I can be testing it from the outside to make sure it's blowing ice cold. All right, now we're back over here, and we'll be using this premium R134A to charge our AC. If you do not have an AutoZone close to you, I'll have a link for this in the description box below. You can also buy it for Amazon. It is about the exact same price. You can have it shipped to your house in 1 day. So make sure you check out the links in the description box below. And all the tools you're going to need is pretty much one of these keys to take off your wheel and a flathead screwdriver, and that is it. All right, so now what I like to do is make sure to shake this very well. All right, and now we're going to plug this into the smaller port, which is absolutely easy. And then we're going to read the PSI that is on the vehicle right now. So all you have to do is pull this up and pop it on. I will also like to go on this side, that way you can see it better. All right, now that it is connected, you can see that it is almost in the blue, but it's not quite there yet. And now all you have to do is press it and it will charge your AC. And now you can, oh yeah, it feels a lot colder right now. All right, now we're going to charge it a little bit more. All right, and now after you charge it, you simply press this button and you follow the gauge. A lot of times the AC will blow extremely cold when the gauge is between 30 and 40. As stated on this bottle, PSI between 35 and 40, you'll have a temperature around 70. PSI between 25 and 35, you'll have a temperature of around 65. So all you have to do is keep charging it until you get the desired temperature. And a lot of times you can simply come in here and put your hand in front of the AC, and right now it is blowing ice cold, which is absolutely awesome. All right, and that is how you charge your AC on a Lotus Elise. After I'm done with this, I'll put everything back together and the AC should be working perfectly. Check this out, super dirty. All right, now we're going to put the wheel back on. We have closed everything and now our AC is ready to go. Also, if you want to save some money on your car insurance, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. I use this company to insure my Lotus and all my other vehicles. And I get awesome coverage, and best of all, I get an awesome price. So if you want to save some money on your car insurance, check out the link in the description box below. Get a free quote. It takes a couple of minutes and you could be saving a ton of money on your car insurance. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to make other tutorials about vehicles, make sure to leave it in the comment section box below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.